Hello and welcome to you all to our group presentation. Our presentation topic is Padma Multipurpose Bridge Project. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is Avi Karmakar, ID 17189, Department of BBA, 17 batch. Then I would like to thank our honorable teacher, Mr. Aminul Russel, for giving us such a great opportunity. Then I will introduce our group members one by one. Mohona Akter, Ankur Sen, Anindodar, and finally Amin. Let's move to the next slide. Now, I will talk about the Padma Multipurpose Bridge Project overview. The Padma Bridge is a multipurpose road rail bridge across the Padma River to be constructed in Bangladesh. When completed, it will be the largest bridge in Bangladesh and the first fixed river crossing for road traffic. It will connect Louhajong, Munshiganj to Shariatpur and Madaripur, linking the southwest of the country to northern and eastern region. As of December 2020, more than 90% of the construction of the 6.15 kilometer long two-tier Padma multipurpose bridge has been completed. The final 41 number span of the bridge was installed on 10 December 2020. Now I will talk about the general information of the Padma multipurpose bridge. The first point is land acquisition. It's almost about 1,471 hectares. And the second point, bridge in brief. First, main bridge length, that is 6.15 kilometer. Viaduct 3.148 kilometer for road and for rail 532 meter. Approach road 12.117 kilometer. River training works in total 14 kilometer, which is 1.6 kilometer for Mawa and 12.4 kilometers for Janjira side. And the third one, estimated project cost, which is according to revised development project proposal, 301.93 billion in Bangladeshi taka and 3.68 billion USD, which is including VAT and income tax also. Let's move to the next slide. This is a visual presentation of Padma Bridge. Padma Bridge is a name of a dream for our Bangladesh. The bridge will be approximately 6.15 kilometer long and 18.10 meter wide. It will be double deck composite steel trussed structure and will use 41 pitches. The main spans will be 150 meter long. The upper deck will contain a 4-lane highway, while the lower deck will house a rail line, gas transmission pipeline, optic fiber cable and power transmission line. Speed of the train will be 160 kilometers per hour. Total lifespan of the bridge will be 100 years. When the bridge activities start, it will take less than 10 minutes by a car. Now we will watch a 3D animation video of Padma Bridge. Now I will talk about the type of project. The Padma Bridge is a multi-purpose road rail bridge project across the Padma River. The much high Padma Bridge is a constructional and communicational type project. It will connect 21 districts in the south. Moreover, direct communication will be established between Mongla Port and Benapur land port through the capital and the port city of Chattogram. According to Railways Minister Nurul Islam Sujon, the railway line from Dhaka to Bhanga in Faridpur will be launched with the opening of the Padma Bridge. Moreover, the railway line from Dhaka to Jeshore will be operational if the ongoing work is completed by 2024.
Timeline of this project. The project construction started 7th December 2014 and end of the project 2022 expected. A country economic mainly develop their communication system. When Padma Bridge will be completed, the communication system between Southwest District and the whole country will be developed also. Which company are involved in this project? China proposed building the bridge on the build own transfer, that means BOT, basis by investing $2 billion or 70% of the project cost. Four companies, China Major Bridge Engineering Company, Delim and L&T, Xavi and Samsung C&T Corporation purchased the project paper, but only the China company proposed their financial proposal on 24 April 2014. On 17 June 2014, important progress had been made in the construction of the Padma multi-purpose bridge. A construction firm, China Major Bridge Engineering Company Limited, has been selected to construct the long pier bridge on the river Padma. The 6.15-kilometer bridge costing an estimated Taka 91.72 billion, USD dollar 1.1 billion.
Hello everyone, this is Ankur Sen from Bachelor of Business Administration Department, ID number 17149. Let's talk about my presentation topic. Now I am discuss about the cost of Padma multi-purpose bridge project. The estimated project cost as per final decision and design, which is 287.93 billion Bangladeshi Taka. After that, the government of Bangladesh, they purchased some land and added additional cost, which is 14 billion Bangladeshi Taka. That's why the entire cost of Padma multi-purpose bridge is 301.93 billion Bangladeshi Taka. That's mean 30,193.38 crore Bangladeshi Taka, which is 3.692 billion US dollar, including VAT and income tax. Let's talk about the Padma multi-purpose bridge project cost summary. Last, which is last revised development project proposal. There have 8 types of work component. If I want to talk about first component, which is main bridge cost, where DPP cost is 121.33 billion Bangladeshi Taka, which is 40% of total cost. Then approach road 12 kilometers with toll plaza and service area 2, where DPP cost is 19.08 billion Bangladeshi Taka, which is 6% of total cost. Then river turning works 13.8 kilometers, where DPP cost is 94 billion Bangladeshi Taka, which is 31% of total cost. Then resettlement, where DPP cost is 15.15 billion Bangladeshi Taka, which is 5% of total cost. Then land acquisition, where DPP cost is 26.99 billion Bangladeshi Taka, which is 9% of total cost. Then environment, where DPP cost is 1.29 billion Bangladeshi Taka, where 1% of total cost. Then consultancy, where DPP cost is 6.78 billion Bangladeshi Taka, which is 2% of total cost. Then other cost, where salary, VAT, transport cost, income tax, etc. etc. Where DPP cost is 17.31 billion Bangladeshi taka, where 6% of total cost. Let's talk about the increased cost of this project. The government of Bangladesh are faced lots of problems to make this project successfully. The Padma Multipurpose Bridge was first approved by the National Economic Council (ECNIC) in 2007 with an estimated cost of BDT 101.61 billion. After that, the length of the bridge was increased due to change in design, for which the estimated cost hiked to BDT 205.07 billion, which was approved by ECNIC in 2011. The second revision of the Multipurpose Bridge project was approved by the Executive Committee of the National Economic Council (ECNIC) on 5th January 2016 with an estimated cost of 287.93 billion Bangladeshi taka to be implemented by the December 2018. After implementing second approved on December 2018, the estimated cost of the much hyped Padma Multipurpose Bridge project is likely to see a rise for the third time by around 14 billion Bangladesh taka. The new raise will take the overall cost up to 301.93 billion Bangladeshi taka as acquisition of additional land is required for the project. Let's see this graph. Guys, I'm trying to show increased cost between 2011 to 2007, 2016 to 2011 and 2020 to 2016. First of all, in 2007, the first approved estimated cost is 101.61 billion, and in 2011, where first revised development project proposal cost is 205.07 billion Bangladeshi taka, where increased cost from 2007 to 2011 is 103.46 billion Bangladeshi taka. On the other hand, 2011 to 2011 estimated and proposed cost is 205.07 billion Bangladeshi taka, and 2016 proposed and estimated cost is 287.93 billion Bangladeshi taka, where increased cost is 82.86 billion Bangladeshi taka. And last, 2016 to 2020 increased cost. 2016 estimated and proposed cost is 287.93 billion Bangladeshi taka, and in 2020, where estimated and proposed cost is 301.93 billion Bangladeshi taka. Increased cost is 14 billion Bangladeshi taka, which is purchasing land. Let's talk about the fund collection agency. Where and how the fund have collected. Financing plan and loan signing have been finalized with the development partners like World Bank, Asian Development Bank, Japan International Co-operations Agencies and Islamic Development Bank. The project financing agency who are give us loan to make this project successfully. First of all, World Bank, they give us 1,200 million US dollar. Then Asian Development Bank, they give us 615 million US dollar. Then Japan International Cooperation Agency, who give us 415 million US dollar, and Islamic Development Bank, who give us 140 million US dollar. The implementations of the Padma Multipurpose Bridge project faced a setback in the earlier stage as on 29 June 2012. The World Bank had cancelled its 1.2 billion IDA credit for the project, claiming that it had credible evidence of a corruption conspiracy among high level of Bangladeshi government officials, SNC level in executives and private individuals. After that, the government took it as a challenge and decided not to take loan from funding agencies on 9 July 2012 and took decisions to complete the project with its own fund. The Honorable Prime Minister said the government had earmarked Taka 1500 crore for the infrastructure development and 3000 crore Taka in the public and private partnership fund. Besides, a certain amount of money had been allocated for the Padma Bridge in the budget.
In this presentation, my first topic is present situation of this project. Now I am providing some information about it. Work on the Padma Multipurpose Bridge is broadly divided into 5 parts. The first one is the main bridge. The second one is river training. The third one is to link road, and fourth one is infrastructure, and the last one is construction. In October 2017, more than 1.5 years after the main construction work began, the first span was installed between pillar number 37 to 38, indicating timely progress on the project. In 27 November 2020, construction of the 42 pillars out of 42 has been completed. In December 2020, more than 90% of construction, 6.15 km long tire Padma Multipurpose Bridge has been completed. The China Major Bridge Engineering Corporation, which has appointed for the main bridge, will carry out the work. The soil testing and dredging works have been going for the last 4 months for the river training. The bridge will have 42 pillars and 41 spans. The final 41st span of the bridge installed on 10 December 2020. My second topic is how it will impact in economy. With a high growth of GDP of the country has increased its per capita income much more than many of its peers, and reduce the rate of poverty. The Padma Bridge is estimated to increase 1.20% of the GDP, and in the same time the poverty will reduce 0.84%. It will change the socioeconomic status more than the 60 million people of the 21 districts. It will create opportunities for the employment and income. Goods and services will move smoothly from one place to another place.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Alamin, ID 17215, section B at BBA 17 base. Today we present the project of Padma Bridge. Now I am discuss about the Padma Bridge challenges. Padma Bridge have two main challenges like economic problem, construction challenges, time maintaining, modern equipment. In my opinion, construction challenges is more hard than others. If I discuss about the construction challenges, number 1, insufficient file capacity. According to design, each file should have the capacity of 8200 ton, but where clay layer is encountered, file capacity is reduced about 6250 ton. Number 2, increased sourcing at bank. The length of the file varies from fire to fire. The average length of file take 115 to 120 meter. But due to increased sourcing at the bank Jazira point, file length has to be increased 123.75 under fire 37 to 41. Number 3, limitation in increasing file length. Bearing capacity of file can be increased by increased skin friction, which requires results in increase in file length. Skin grouting. The procedure of skin grouting is another challenge of this project. Recently, this process is being tested on this file in various. If I discuss about the overcome of challenges of Padma Bridge, number 1, inclined files. To deal with the massive river current, the designers decided to provide inclined sphere. The fair were designed by 1:0.6 V ratio. Because of this, it can resist more layered force, which also help the resist earthquake as well. Number 2, artificial river. Artificial river to place the fifth span on number 41 and 42 pair. An artificial river was created by dredging it provide sufficient depth for the flowing currents on move. Thank you.
Thank you so much guys for seeing this presentation video attentively. If you want to ask any question, you can ask us by online class and messenger group. Thank you again sir for giving us such a great opportunity to research our dream for the multipurpose bridge project. Thank you.